In this tutorial, we're going to tie the clinch knot. The clinch knot is where you're tying your tippet onto your fly. The first step is you're going to put the end of your tippet through the eye of the hook of your fly. The next step is you're going to create a space next to the eye of the hook. Next, you want to wrap around 3 to 8 times, depending on the size of your tippet, around the main leader line. Once you've done that, you're going to take that tag end and you want to go up and through the space that you created next to the eye of the hook. A tip when you're tying the clinch knot is to hold on to the end of your leader line with your non-dominant hand and just pull the line with your dominant hand. This will ensure that you are not wasting a bunch of the tippets to keep your leader long. And that's how you tie the clinch knot. Again, this knot will attach your tippet to your fly.